baby. Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. He's a handsome baby. Yes, he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You're just a baby still, huh? You're just learning. Yeah, so you're still a little bit afraid to perch us. It's a very good leap for you that you willingly perched my hand. I didn't have to make you fly off your cage to get you to perch me. This is Perry the Parrot. He is going to be 4 this month on the 19th. We've had him since 2022 when he just turned a year old. He's a very sweet bird. He likes to talk a lot in the mornings and the evenings. He's a little bit camera shy. And we're just getting him learning how to perch us more. He is kind of scared to perch us and let us hold him. So this is good that he's perching me. But usually I have to get him to fly off the cage. And then I will put my hand up to him when he's on like a table. I'll be like, come on, step up. Like, he probably won't. Wanna step up? Wanna step up? No, yeah, see. He's like, no. Usually he says, hello, how you doing? Peekaboo, hi baby, thank you baby. He says so many words, but he's camera shy. So until next time. Step up. Step up. Step up. Come on, step up. Good boy. Good boy. You'd be a good boy, right? Yeah. See, it's fun to perch me, right? Yeah. He's a good boy.